Good afternoon and welcome to Summer Shell Natural Farm Ramnagar, the pride of पूर्णिया and बिहार। पूर्णिया एवं बिहार का गौरव समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर से मैं आपका दोस्त हिमकर मिश्रा आज की नई वीडियो प्रस्तुति के साथ प्रस्तुत हूँ। टुडे we are walking north to the northern end of the farm, or the place where I am standing, this is known as the Thanwala stretch of the farm. So why we call it the Thanwala stretch, because there is a tree there which the local my boys have a lot of faith and उसमें बहुत आस्था है उस पेड़ में उनकी। तो यहाँ पे पूजा के समय लोग झंडा भी लगाते हैं, रस्सी बांधते हैं, मन्नत मांगते हैं, and there is a lot of religiosity involved in it. So here now we are walking to a Simarbari, and as you can see, again the green cover is so thick, so dense, and we are flanked by the lemons, pink pepper, haldi, vetiver, etc. on all sides, moringa and subabul, etc. here. And this is the Thanwala pear, where you can see some flags also that they have tied there. So this is a very auspicious, the tree has an auspicious value here to the boys here. So we do have the customary, झंडा बनाना वहाँ पे और ये सब करना, तो एक ये अनुभूति भी बहुत अच्छी है यहाँ पे। और अब हम आपको मैंने आपको कहा था कि मैं आपको अपने सिमरबाड़ी की तरफ ले जाऊँगा और वहाँ दिखाएंगे कि हम लोग वहाँ क्या काम हो रहा है या वहाँ क्या प्रगति है, उस एरिया की समीक्षा भी हो जाएगी। So we are now entering our Simarbari. Simar is all these big trees that you can see are simmers. Simal or simmer is called. There's a lot of रुई जो यहाँ गांव में जो रुई आता है इससे बनते हैं, जो for the pillows and which is very good for your neck and everything. हालांकि we have not drawn any commercial, we have not exploited it commercially, but it does provide you a lot of cover and the sunlight filtration they're talking about. And again you can see this moringa, it's not even a year old. It was from the stumps and it has grown so beautifully here. And moringa, we envisage it to be the first layer of our sunlight filtration that I was talking about. Simarbari, it's basically a virgin land, virgin stretch of field here. Why? Because it was never brought under any cultivation till 4 years back. So till 4 years ago, you only had these simmers, not even the lemons and the pink peppers here. No haldi, nothing. So 2016 August, this is the black pepper, na?
Ji.
This is the black pepper which we are trying to, the creeps are trying to climb onto the simmer trees, and they are very protruding needles. So it's easier for the creeps to grow and grow up here. Towards the west you have again the Dhobiyadi that we talk about, and this is the Dharwala Khet, and here we had experimented with seed balls, but we had so much of rains कि वो बीज गल गया यहाँ पे। अभी भी पानी लगा हुआ ही है, थोड़ा सा पूरा नहीं सूखा, and we are fearing another spell of rain today. It's very humid out here. So here as we move further north, and you can see the simmer trees in between. We have pruned many of the branches here for some sunlight to fall through. We have planted a lot of vetiver here also. यहाँ भी तो हम लोग खस लगाए हैं ना इसमें जी। तो and now we are trying to move further north, और अब देखेंगे कैसे ये सहजन पिंक पेपर के साथ intertwined है यहाँ पे। And this pink pepper tree will grow very very healthy. It will grow very very healthy because of the nourishment it would draw from the moringa tree there. And here, this stretch of the farm, the turmeric here, because of it being a virgin field for say 4 years back, the curcumin content here in this stretch of the farm is as high as 9%. And here we are using the Rajendra Sonia variety, which is the most popular and the most premium turmeric of this part of the country. And we have tried, and many of the other farmers who are doing it, who are growing this, they have a curcumin content of not more than 3.5%. But here, because of the biodiversity, because of the biomass and the enormous mulch that we have created here, the turmeric here grows very well here. So now we move further here. In between you would find pink black pepper also. And as we go further north, and now the pink pepper season is approaching. In a month's time, they'll start flowering, and it will start fruiting immediately after that. And you know, the moment it turns 10% of the pepper gets red or maroon, we start harvesting them. So this time let's hope God is kind, the Inner Dev is kind and everything. So then we can look forward to a good harvest. यहाँ का लत क्यों नहीं उतारे हो? ये नींबू के पेड़ सब का?
ये गिलोई छी।
ये गिलोई तुम इस पे तो उसको नरिश कर खत्म कर देगा यार।
नेगरा निकाल के वहाँ लगे हुए हैं।
इसको यहाँ से निकाल लो। गिलोई को उधर लगाओ ना। So we grow a lot of गिलोई also here. गिलोई again is a creeper, and we have them in plenty on the neem and on the moringa and the subabul. So walking through this stretch after almost 2 months, when I left amidst the rains that were a daily feature here, and even after when I was on a sabbatical, we had very torrential downpours here. So the wild growth goes very fast here. So again we'll have some pruning after the pink pepper harvest here. So then again till April we would be relaxed in terms of the mulch and everything. This stretch of the farm amazes me the most because of the very texture and composition of this farm. With all these, we are actually in the woods. There's a saying that you are still not out of the woods. We are into the woods, and the woods in the real sense. You have the यहाँ का कुछ पेड़ का तुमको pruning करना पड़ेगा, है ना? कैसे करोगे इसको?
बांस लगा के।
हाँ, तो इसको करवाओ, है ना? ताकि यहाँ पे तुमको फिर चाहिए ना थोड़ा सा सनलाइट यहाँ। यहाँ कुछ हम लोग इसको prune भी करेंगे इस simmer को, so that we have some sunlight here. So as you see, we are trying to implement the Fukuoka model in letter and spirit, making no exceptions here. It's a zero-till farm, no till, no pesticides, no fertilizers in the last 20 years. Now we have done away with the vermicompost also now. And what pleases me to tell you that we have built a small hut there, and we have made it. We are making it functional, and so we can spend some more time at the farm. And now we are just crossing a Simarbari, and we'll walk towards Toriwala Khet. I do not know how that stretch got named as Toriwala Khet, but probably some years ago, the boys would grow a lot of mustard there. This year, this year we'll try. Last year we were late in doing with the mustard, and you see how thick. And these are ये शंकर दब है ना?
नहीं, गंधराज।
ये गंधराज है जी ना, ये शंकर दब।
गंधराज गोल वाला, बड़ा वाला गंधराज।
अच्छा, यहाँ तुम्हारे छोटे पेड़ में भी कितने सारे नींबू हैं यहाँ
जी।
तो कल जो करोगे तो करो जल्दी से इसको. So now we are trying to get out of the woods, and you have the thorns. Do you remember a book called Thornbirds? It was a very hugely popular bestseller, Colin McCullough, and so I do not know about the thornbirds, but we have the thorn plants here. So, and what pleases me to see is the king-sized lemons, and all these lemons, I tell you, have a lot of medicinal properties, especially the Shankar Dravya and the Gandharaj. Their peel has very strong anti-cancer properties. So, and as I had also done a video on the cancer thing, where I had told you how a few of the friends, their mothers and their sisters have benefited from this, and their brothers and their fathers. So this gives you a lot of confidence, lot of hope for the future. It fills us with more energy, more rejuvenation, and it's such a fantastic feeling to, you know, walk between this part. And so now this is the Toriwala stretch of our farm. हाँ, हम देख लिए. And this is the Tori wala stretch, and you can see it's such a thick, dense green cover. And this was a very compromised stretch of our farm. It was virtually without anything, any crop or anything here. And now you can see we have turned it around in the last 3.5 years. Let's count from August 2016, 16th August to be precise, in 2016. So it's it's a 4-year journey so far, and 4 years of such an enriching journey. I have learned so much. I have integrated myself with the farm, with the boys, with the women here, and there's so much at ये भी गंधराज है क्या?
जी.
So here this is a Subabul plant again. This fixes a lot of nitrogen I was telling you yesterday. It also serves as a very good cattle feed, the leaves. And in China, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, everywhere, they also serve as low grade timber. So when you replace your furnitures and all, and you have your budget is less, so then they use this type of timber for this. Subodh will एक बार कैमरा को तुम चारों तरफ घुमाओ, so that people know what we are doing here and what has happened in the last year. तुमको यहाँ बहुत खस लगेगा
जी,
है ना? तो अभी जो खस लगाओगे इस सब में लगाओ जहाँ मिट्टी वाला एरिया सब है, पौधे के चारों तरफ लगा दो कम से कम, है ना? जी. और वो जो जंगली एक नींबू का पेड़ था उसमें नींबू पका तुम्हारा, ये तो है, उसमें रस आ गया होगा ना?
ये मैंने वहाँ पर वो वाला
उसमें है, एक तोड़ के देना तो, बिकॉज आई वांट टू टेस्ट दैट. There is a jungly lemon here, so it was khud sa khud, I think, by bird droppings or something 5-7 years back. So the lemons are very tough, and they say that it's very very khatta also, very citric, but I haven't tasted it as yet. So both tells me, हाँ एक है, तोड़ के बताओ. So and this is the fag end of our northern stretch, and now we are trying to we'll pluck one of these wild lemons. This is a wild lemon. So ये टाप तो नहीं है ना, grapefruit तो नहीं है ना?
No.
You know, it looks like a grapefruit, but it's a wild variety of lemon. I do not know from where the birds got it, but I'll try it today, and we have them in plenty. So if one likes it, and if I like it today, I'll let you know. So from here, we are on our way back to the western side, where we'll just review the vetiver there, and to see how the paddy is also shaping up. We had, we had used some seeds in a soil bed in Dhobiadi, and we use it to grow. So we can review that. And तो एक बार वहाँ तक नहीं चल सकते हैं?
क्यों?
वहाँ तक
पानी
नहीं, जहाँ तक पानी नहीं है वहाँ तक चलो.
इधर ना?
हाँ हाँ. So you see what a adventurous and a thrilling walk into the woods, into the food forest, and I love being here. ये क्या है?
तेजपत्ता.
पतरस.
जी.
So this is the western part. So tomorrow we'll take you on that on the walk here, and these are all kadam trees. मेरे लिए kadam तुड़वा देना. अच्छा, before I end, let me tell you that I've been having a glass of kadam fruit juice every day. I add some honey into it, and I tell you it's so good for your digestion, for your stomach. It cools your stomach, soothes your stomach. It has a lot of antioxidants, anti-minerals, more than any other fruit. I always reiterate that kadam is a very underrated tree, both in terms of fruits, and there are no takers. It just grows wild, falls, mulches, converts into a biomass, anything. But their bark, their leaves, everything is there. Their roots, yellow dye is extracted from its roots. The bark has a lot of medicinal properties. The leaves have a lot of, and during these COVID times, it's actually a Sanjeevani booty. So with this, I would like to end the video for the day. So what do I say? The same thing that I tell you every day. Keep appreciating, keep criticizing, keep watching. Appreciation is always there. I would look forward to such valuable suggestions. And let me tell you, today this beautiful food forest, Summer Shell Natural Farm in Ramnagar, is the pride of Bihar and Purnia. But tomorrow, this farm is well on its way to becoming the pride of India also. मेरे हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह आपसे मेरी यही अपेक्षा है कि आप देखते रहें, प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए, पर हाँ, देखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर आज तो पूर्णिया और बिहार का गौरव है, पर आने वाले कल में ये पूरे हिंदुस्तान का गौरव होगा। ये एक नई दिशा हम लोगों ने बहुत ही खामोशी से शुरू की है 4 साल पहले, और अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। हम लोग काफ़ी आगे जाएंगे, काफ़ी लोगों को जोड़ेंगे, कारवां बनता जाएगा और आपका स्नेह हमें परस्पर मिलता रहे। इसी के साथ ही मैं आज अपने इस वीडियो ब्लॉग को विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर बीइंग सो पार्टिसिपेटिव एंड सो सपोर्टिव। आई हैव नो वर्ड्स टू थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्ट। आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड। Thank you very much. This is Himkar Mishra telling you goodbye from the pride of Purnia and Bihar, Summer Shell Natural Farm Ramnagar. Thank you very much.